The animal kingdom spans 17 orders of magnitude in body size, from microscopic rotifers to blue whales. At both extremes, the biology breaks assumptions about what bodies can do, and the engineering solutions involved have no equivalent in human technology. Blue whales, Balænoptera musculus, are the largest animals that have ever existed on Earth, larger than any confirmed dinosaur. An adult blue whale's heart weighs up to 180 kilograms and pumps 220 liters of blood per stroke. During peak exertion, the heart rate drops to 2 beats per minute and the animal holds its breath between heartbeats. A blue whale's aorta, the main artery, is approximately 23 centimeters in diameter, wide enough for a small child to crawl through. The tongue alone weighs as much as an adult elephant, roughly 2,700 kilograms. Despite being the largest animal on Earth, blue whales feed almost exclusively on krill, filtering up to 40 million individual animals per day through baleen plates. Their calls, produced at 10 to 40 Hz, travel up to 1,600 kilometers through the ocean. The colossal squid, Mesonychoteuthis hamiltoni, has the largest eyes of any animal, confirmed at 27 centimeters in diameter, with a lens the size of an orange. For comparison, a human eye is about 24 millimeters in diameter. The eye size is adaptive. Colossal squids live at depths of 1,000 to 2,000 meters where the only light source is bioluminescence from sperm whales hunting them. An eye 27 centimeters across can detect the faint bioluminescent glow of an approaching predator in total darkness. Critically, no living colossal squid has ever been observed in its natural habitat. Every specimen known to science has been found dead, in the stomach of a sperm whale, or as a rare accidental trawl catch. Scientists estimate they may grow to 14 meters and weigh 750 kilograms, but no intact adult has ever been directly studied alive. The Etruscan shrew, Suncus etruscus, weighs 1.8 grams, less than a standard paperclip, and is one of the smallest mammals by mass. Its heart beats between 1,000 and 1,200 times per minute, the fastest of any mammal. At rest, the Etruscan shrew's metabolic rate is so high that it must consume up to twice its body weight in food per day. If it does not eat for more than 4 hours, its blood sugar drops to levels incompatible with survival and it enters terminal hypothermia. It hunts continuously, day and night, with only brief sleep intervals. Its brain-to-body ratio is among the highest of any mammal. The shrew is so metabolically costly to run that if a human had an equivalent mass-specific metabolic rate, a human body would be unable to generate enough heat to survive. The dwarf pygmy goby, Eviota sigillata, holds the shortest confirmed lifespan of any vertebrate, 59 days from the start of adult life. It hatches, spends approximately 16 days as a larval fish in open ocean, settles on a coral reef, matures, reproduces, and dies, all within a total of roughly 3 months. The fish is 7 to 8 millimeters long. Its entire adult life cycle, mate selection, territorial defense, reproduction, is compressed into a period shorter than a single human menstrual cycle. The brevity of its lifespan appears to be an evolutionary adaptation to high predation pressure on coral reefs, reproduce fast before being eaten, rather than investing in longevity. This life history strategy is opposite to that of the Greenland shark, which lives 500 years and reproduces slowly. Whale sharks, Rhynchodon typus, are the largest fish on Earth, confirmed to over 12 meters in length and possibly reaching 18 meters. Despite this size, they feed by filter feeding, swimming slowly with their mouths open, filtering out plankton, fish eggs, and small crustaceans. A whale shark's mouth is 1.5 meters wide and contains approximately 3,000 teeth, each 6 millimeters long. The teeth serve no feeding function, they are vestigial. Whale shark blood vessels are wide enough for a diver to insert an arm. They are among the longest-lived fish, estimated at 70 to 150 years. Whale sharks are ovoviviparous, females carry live pups internally, with one female found to contain 300 eggs and embryos at various stages of development, suggesting multiple simultaneous pregnancies at different stages. The coconut crab, Birgus latro, is the largest land-dwelling invertebrate on Earth, with a leg span of up to 1 meter and a weight of 4 kilograms. It is technically a hermit crab that has evolved beyond needing a shell as an adult, instead developing a hardened exoskeleton. Coconut crabs can climb trees, crack open coconuts with their claws, and lift objects up to 28 kilograms, 7 times their body weight. Their grip strength is 1,765 newtons, roughly equivalent to the bite force of a lion. In 2016, researchers proposed that coconut crabs may have scavenged the remains of Amelia Earhart after her aircraft went down on Nikumaroro Island. Her bones were not found, and coconut crabs are known to carry objects and hoard them underground. They can live to 60 years. The giant Pacific octopus, Enteroctopus doflini, is the largest octopus species, reaching arm spans of up to 6 meters and weights of 71 kilograms, though average adults are smaller. Despite this size, it hatches from an egg 3 millimeters long and reaches full size within 3 to 5 years. It can compress its body to fit through any opening larger than its beak, the only rigid part of its body. The giant Pacific octopus has a larger brain relative to body size than many vertebrates, demonstrates learned behaviors, and can open screw-top jars, complete mazes, and recognize individual human faces. Like all octopuses, females die shortly after their eggs hatch. They stop eating during the brooding period and starve, with the nutrient reserves diverted to the eggs. Goliath birdeater tarantulas, Theraphosa blondi, are the world's largest spiders by mass, reaching 170 grams and a leg span of 30 centimeters. They do not eat birds in any meaningful sense. The name is a misnomer from a Victorian illustration that depicted one over a hummingbird. Their diet is primarily earthworms, beetles, and small lizards. They are venomous, but their venom is medically insignificant to humans. The main defense is a cloud of barbed urticating hairs that they flick from their abdomen toward threats, causing severe itching and inflammation. Goliath birdeaters make an audible hissing sound by rubbing their legs together, a sound audible from 4.5 meters. Females live up to 25 years, males die within months of reaching sexual maturity. These are not outliers. Each represents a working solution, tested over millions of years, to the question of what a body can build, and at what cost. Tomorrow's animal survived something that killed nearly everything else on Earth. This channel posts a new animal fact video every day. Subscribe so you don't miss the next one.